To apply for a short sale, you need to gather several documents to put together an initial short sale package. The specific requirements may vary a bit depending on the circumstances of the homeowner, but here are all the documents that are always requested during a short sale application. 1. A hardship letter. This letter explains your financial hardship and why are you in this situation and unable to make your mortgage payments. It should be signed and dated. Check out the hardship letter video below. I also will put it in description. 2. Authorization letter. A signed letter giving permission to your lender to communicate with the real estate agent, attorney, or any other authorized party involved in the short sale process, usually a title company. 3. Financial statement form. This is a two-page document. You will need to fill it out, sign, and date. You can get this form from your attorney or realtor. It pertains to your assets, profits, and expenses. 4. 3 months of the most recent bank statements, all pages. And you will need to submit all your bank statements. If you have any transfers for more than $150, you will need to write a separate letter explaining the source and reason for the transfer. 5. 6 consecutive months of your pay stubs. W-2, 1099 form, or profit and loss statement if you're self-employed, signed and dated. Number 6. 2 years of your most recent federal tax returns, including all supporting schedules and attachments. They should be signed and dated as well. Number 7. 4506T form, requested for transcript of your tax return directly from IRS. And your realtor or attorney can provide this form to you as well. 8. Your most recent mortgage statement for each of your mortgages, showing the outstanding balance of your loan number, and the mortgage company contact information. All these documents you will need to provide in order to put together a short sale package. The rest of the documents will be supplied by your realtor, and we will talk about it in my next video. Thank you.